The warm weather melts the icebergs, which makes the sea levels rise. Also, the warm weather makes the sea expand. The weather is getting warmer. The weather is getting warmer. The weather is getting warmer because greenhouse gases trap the sun's heat in the Earth's atmosphere. Because the sea is warmer, because of climate change, more water evaporates to the air and it creates more rain and more floods. There are lots of types of floods. There is a coastal flood, river floods, flash floods, ground floods, and sewage floods. Because the population is growing, more houses and roads are being built where there was earth, which absorbs the water. There is now concrete, which doesn't. This is a big problem.